Hello, everyone. My name is Eric Jones, and I'll be your instructor for HOR 114 Landscape Construction. Now, as you can see, I have the Forsyth Tech homepage opened up in Firefox. Go to forsythtech.edu, and I want you to click Blackboard. It takes a minute to open up because I already have it opened up, but that's no excuse. It just takes a little while to do that, the way I have everything opened up right now. But make sure you're in fall 2021. And as you can see here, these are the courses that I teach. So you want to find HOR 114 100. Now, I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you how everything is going to look. You're going to have a course entry assignment that I would like for you to go ahead and complete on Monday, August 16th. Go ahead and knock it out because I want you to read the course syllabus and then do the course entry assignment based on the syllabus. But I want to show you my instructor information here. Email, phone. I'm in the Strickland Center, 1223. I have my office hours or student hours, Monday 10 to 11, Tuesday 1 to 2, Wednesday 8 to 8:30, and 10 to 10:30, Thursday 8 to 8:30, and then 10:30 to 11, and then Fridays 9 to 10. So I am available for you. If for some reason I'm on a job site, especially Friday, being the department chair of construction technologies, I have a lot of job sites that I have to go to for electrical because I'm also the program coordinator for electrical contracting. And we visit job sites because I'm over plumbing, I'm over carpentry, and I'm over heating and air conditioning. So there are a lot of job sites that I have to hit each week. So I will put a note on the door if I have to reschedule one of these office hours, and I will make it up for you. But let's go ahead and hit the course syllabus. I'm going to open it up. It's going to be a Word document, and we will go over this on Thursday as well. But again, landscape construction, HOR 114 100, fall 2021. My instructor information, email, phone number, office location, again, student hours listed that I just went over. Skills needed, basic knowledge of biology, math, reading comprehension, basic computer skills, Microsoft Office to include Word, PowerPoint, and you need to know how to navigate Blackboard. You will have assignments on Blackboard every week, and then we are meeting on Thursdays from 8:30 until 10:20 in the Strickland Center in room 1221. Last day to complete your course entry assignment, August 25th. If you don't complete that, ladies and gentlemen, you will be withdrawn from the course. Last day to withdraw from the course yourself. If you need to withdraw for any reason, you must complete the course withdrawal form on or before October 22nd. Materials required: landscape construction, the North Carolina Landscape Contractors Licensing Board Manual of Practice, David Sauter, sketchbook, color pencil or markers, your trash paper, engineer and architect scales, then access to MS Office and Adobe PDF Reader, notebook, pen, pencil, and calculator. Now, I will show you these as well on Thursday, but it's good to have a sketchbook and some trash paper because we're going to look at a lot of landscape drawings, a lot of plans out there. There are no prerequisites or co-requisites. Course description. This course introduces the design and fabrication of landscape structures, features, emphasis is placed on safety, tool identification and use, material selection, construction techniques, and fabrication. Upon completion, students should be able to design and construct common landscape structures and features. Now, we're not going to build every single thing out there, but we're going to see it on paper. You need to be able to take a plan and read it before you can build it. And so we'll see, we'll have labs that show you how these things are actually built. So after completion of 114, you'll be able to read and understand the North Carolina Landscape Contractors Licensing Board requirements for licensing and the rules and regulations of practicing landscape contracting. North Carolina has a landscape contractors professional license law. You cannot practice landscape contracting without being licensed. You can't. You will go to the board and pay big penalties and hefty fines if you are caught. You will read and estimate landscape construction plans and specifications. You will determine a knowledge of basic construction techniques as applied to landscape construction. Grading and evaluation, quizzes, 60%. Labs, which will be plans, measuring, and estimates, 30%. Comprehensive final exam, 10%. We're on the 10-point grading scale here for SciTech. And your late work, makeup work, due dates will be announced for all assignments. Submission after the due date reduces your grade by 10 points. Assignments close after 5 days from the due date. No submission after they close. Submitting assignments, submit assignment by choosing write submission or uploading a Word document. Do not use the comments area to submit work. You'll have 2 chances to take your quizzes if they are online, and you may review the results one time after the due date. Now, I will give a lot of quizzes in class as well, okay? Or I'll tell you that I will put them on Blackboard. You'll know when these things are due. I'm not going to hold you in the dark. There is no makeup. If you have an outage, technical issue, operator error, for any other issues, there will be one drop quiz grade to accommodate any issues with quizzes. And there's no drop grade for discussion because we're not doing a discussion board because we're meeting face-to-face. Then there's the universal technical, for SciTech technical community college syllabus, which is the actual same thing that we have right here. I'll click on it so you can see it, but it's the general information, equity statement, basic needs statement, accessibility statement, grading scale, academic integrity, just general information that they put a link on their website so we don't have a 20-page syllabus. You know what I'm saying? It's the same for every class. So let's go back to start here. You'll have that course entry assignment. It'll be available tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Week 1, which will open up tomorrow. Read the course syllabus, complete course entry assignment. Watch Basics of Landscape Design 1. Watch Basics of Landscape Design 2. Read Chapter 1, Basics of Landscape Design in the David Salter book. Watch how to get your North Carolina Landscape Contractor's License there. And then visit the North Carolina Landscape Contractors Licensing Board website and familiarize yourself with the information that's down here. And then the same for general contractors. Visit the North Carolina Licensing Board for General Contractor website. Familiar yourself. General contractors and landscape contractors, we work side by side, and we also step on each other's toes at times. So we'll talk more about that in class this coming Thursday. And then it says week 1 quiz will be given in class on Thursday. I'm wanting you to go ahead and get familiar with this stuff. It may be a real simple question, or I may have you do it on Blackboard. So just be prepared by doing this information here. And I've also put up a video, how to write like an architect. We will, on all assignments, write in architectural lettering. I don't want you to write in cursive unless you're signing your name. I want you to print all capital letters, and we'll talk more about that in class again. But it's old school architecture. And the reason there is architectural lettering, because back in the old days when there was, 100 people in a design studio and 20 of you were working on the same project, if you're all writing in architectural lettering, it looks like the same person has drawn the plans. And so we want everybody to have that penmanship that is just immaculate. And we're going to practice that over and over again. You're going to learn how to write like an architect. So that's kind of how I wanted to introduce the course and get you all situated with it. And I will see you on Thursday morning for landscape construction. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next lecture.